Hello, dear student friends. Dr. Bapuji Salunkhe, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur, welcomes you all to e-learning platform. This is Science and Humanities Department. The unit which we are learning is electricity, magnetism, and semiconductors. From this unit, on the topic specific resistance, we are going to discuss about the numericals based on specific resistance. Okay, so what kind of a numericals get asked in an examination and how to solve them is our topic to discuss today. The first question is, a metal wire 3 meter long has a diameter of 0.36 mm. If its resistance is 0.9 ohm, calculate the resistivity of the wire. This is the example. Okay, and we have to solve the this example. So how to solve it? Same, that first write down what is given in an example and what is to be calculated. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय काय दिलेलं आहे आणि आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे हे शोधून काढणं ही आपली पहिली स्टेप असेल. ओके, so what is given in an example? Given example tells about length of the wire, means the term capital L, it is 3 meter. The resistance of the wire is 0.9 ohm. 0.9 ohm. The diameter of the wire is 0.36 mm. But the thing which we require in our formula is radius. So from diameter we can simply easily calculate the radius. So radius R is equal to 0.18 mm, means 0.36 divided by 2. Half of a diameter is a radius. In SI system we have to write down the quantity having particular units. So we converted the mm into meter. 1 mm is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. That's why 0.18 mm means 0.18 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Now what the example asks us to calculate, this is the term resistivity of the wire. So rho is the term that we have to calculate. What is the formula for a rho? Rho resistivity is equal to resistance into area divided by length. Okay, put the values in the formula. We have put the value in the formula. Okay, cross sectional area A, that is not already given in an example, but we can calculate this cross sectional area with the formula pi r square. So we have put the values in the formula, and the answer means the value of a specific resistance comes out 0.0305 into 10 raised to minus 6, and the SI unit of specific resistance is a ohm meter. So in this way you can solve the example. First, identify what is given in the example, which terms are given, then identify what is to be calculated, then write down the proper formula, put the things or put the values in the formula and come up with correct answer. Okay, the second example, the specific resistance of a material of wire is 2.81 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter. If the resistance of a wire is 2.1 ohm and radius 0.8 mm, calculate length of a wire. Simple example, maximum for 2 marks. The specific resistance of a material of a wire is 2.81 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter. Means the value of a specific resistance, means the value of Rho is given in an example. See, value of a rho is given. The resistance of a wire, that is term R, is given in an example 2.1 ohm. And the value of radius is also given 0.8 mm, means 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter is also given in an example, and the term is to be calculated is L is equal to what, means length of the wire. Once again write down the formula. Rho is equal to RA upon L is our formula. Okay, now rearrange this formula for L, because L is the term that we have to calculate. आपल्याला L ही टर्म आहे ती आपल्याला या ठिकाणी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आहे. त्यामुळे आपण हा फॉर्म्युला L साठी रिअरेंज करू. ठीक आहे. देन L इज इक्वल टू R pi R square upon rho. We have put pi R square in place of a cross sectional area A because we know the radius. Okay. Now put the values in a formula. 2.1 into 3.14 into value of resistance squared, sorry, value of radius squared divided by specific resistance, and the length of a wire comes out 15.07 meter. Simple example which will be asked maximum for 2 marks. So in this way you can solve the example. Let us go towards next example. See, if the radius of wire is doubled, then its resistance becomes, तुम्हाला दिलेल्या कंडक्टरची किंवा वायरची रेडियस ही डबल केली तर रेजिस्टन्सच्या संदर्भामध्ये काय घडेल असे या ठिकाणी विचारलेलं आहे. आता पहा, R1 is equal to R1 means resistance, sorry, radius of the wire is R1 and resistance of a wire is capital R1. Okay, now what the example asks us, it asks us if the radius is doubled, means if the radius R2 is 2R1, 2R1 means initial radius is doubled, then what will happen with the R2, means what will happen with the resistance. Now we know the formula, R is equal to rho L upon A. Resistance of first wire will become, with the help of this formula, rho L upon pi R1 square. Okay, because our value of rho is a constant. Okay, L is also constant. Now resistance for second wire means the wire whose radius is doubled is rho L upon pi 2R1 square, 2R1 squared. So if we take a ratio of both, if we take a ratio of both means R1 upon R2, then it comes out with R1 upon R2 is equal to 4. R1 upon R2 is equal to 4. Therefore R2 is equal to R1 upon 4. The value of a resistance becomes the 1/4 of a R1, means the value of resistance is R1 upon 4. So these are simple examples which will be asked in an examination for maximum 2 marks. Thank you.